In this video, we are going to see how we can view our transaction history on the TikTok application. So if you bought some subscriptions or you have recharged your account with balance or coins, here's how you can view all of those transaction history. First of all, just move to your profile. From the bottom right hand corner, click on the profile icon, and from the top right, you will click on these three lines. Click on that and head over to the balance section. That is right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will see this transaction history option, and we see the option of view all. Click on that. Click got it. And there you go. You can search for all the purchases, rewards you have got, any kind of payouts you got, and platform adjustment, refunds, deductions. All of the transaction history will appear here. Since my account is new, nothing is showing here, but if you have a lot of transactions, it will all display it here and you can easily manage it here. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.